don't these look alike? Which one's which? One's an Emmo, one is Evoque. Kind of like cars, when they look similar, they're gonna have different motors, different controllers, but obviously they've grabbed the same paneling pieces, etc., from the same manufacturer, but they've designed and put together their own bike. My God, they're similar. Emmo is an 84 volt. The Tactical is a 72 volt. This is a $31.99, but it comes with 32 amp hour lead acid, so you're gonna get about 15-20 kilometers more distance, so that's worth the 400 bucks. You're gonna get a little bit more top speed from the 84, because 84 volt means horsepower. You get a little bit more oomph, a little bit more climbing. We're just getting them side by side. It's like, which one do you choose? I lost Scott because we like other people's opinion, not just mine. There he is. So we're literally just looking at them now. The Knock, you can get a full saddlebags with it, which is a huge bonus. And they're really nice saddlebags too. You get
a lot of similarities.
Totally, but like mirrors are a little bit different. Signals are different. Lights are different. All the same shape, but a little different. So let's see the calibers. Yeah, they're exactly the same. No, they're not. Sorry. They're shaped differently. Tires are slightly different. Ooh, screens are the same. Let's take a look because they are quite large. Because I definitely like the Evoque Tactical. Oh, that one's brighter. You can see that one a lot better. This one shows percentage of the battery, but I prefer the Knock that actually shows voltage. I like to know voltage. I like the signal lights and the lights on the Tactical better. That's kind of what Evoque does, is they go just a little bit more modern. But these are brighter, but those just have a cooler look to them. And why is it red? Oh, that's cool. So they go red, but then when you put the signal on, they go yellow, as they should be. What do you think of the suspension?
They look about the same.
Yeah. Seat height.
Same seats, basically.
It's basically just different stitching.
The sidebars are smaller on that, but yet you have the bag racks that come with it.
Yeah, I like that too.
Rack looks
and blue
stronger
on that one.
On this. Because it's all solid one piece, thicker.
Yeah, where you got welds on this one.
And this comes with the radio.
Yeah, radio and Bluetooth on that one. Cruise control on both. Reverse. The Tactical has reverse. That's a hard choice. I wouldn't even know which one to go with because pricing, they're about the same. You can get a 30 amp and a 50 amp lithium. But this is a little bit less because this is a 72 volt system.
But open your seat.
Yeah, I know. I don't like that. So normally when you open your seats, it's not a key on the side, but it's through the ignition. You turn to the left, it pops open. This one,
you have to turn the bike on
and turn to the right. That's weird. So
and this one comes with a little work light.
Yeah, this one also comes with a limiter that you can just turn on and off very easily. This one, we're not sure. We'd have to find a wire somewhere on this one. Emmo charges $300 more to go with carbon on that one, where this one in the black already comes with it. I like the fork mount on that too. This looks a little cheap. Definitely looks a little cheapy. Interesting. Oh, there's a big deal.
That's a selling feature for me.
Yeah, because you want these suckers up high as possible. That can catch a curb very easily. Great. Center stands on both. Kickstands, again, a little different. Yeah, those are all the same. So there's your knock housing. You've got a kill switch and high, medium, and low. And then when you go to the Tactical, you have reverse, and then it looks like you have like a high and a low. What a good example of two bikes looking like they're exactly the same, but they're not. But yet they are. I don't know. What do you think? Again, that's when you call RideTheWindEbikes and we just ask questions like, where do you live? What kind of battery do you need? If you are a bigger guy and you've got hills, then go with the 84 Knock. You don't have super big hills, then you can go with the Tactical. If reverse is important to you, if radio is important to you. All right, well, there you go. Now you know.